Right, so we're here at the local bird feeder, and right now there's a couple of quarry right here in our own backyard, and we're hunting them with a giant rubber band. Now, if I have any accuracy whatsoever, I may, just may, be able to get one. Ha ha ha. Gotta set it up for the right spot. Can you see that? There you go, you two. I'm going to take out the bird. Yeah! Did you see that? I suck. I missed them by a mile. Well, maybe I'll get them tomorrow. Well, anyway, I am Buddy Bird. And now, I say farewell to YouTube.